13 Signs You Will Be Super Successful.
This is Law of Attraction Secrets. Join Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach Robert ZInk and prepare to be empowered.
Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time you're listening to this special Law of Attraction podcast, I am your miracle mentor, your mentor of light, Robert ZInk. And today, oh yes, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Today we're sharing 13 signs that you will be super successful. And keep in mind, it doesn't make any difference what age you are. Colonel Sanders at 64 was dead-ass broke. At 65, he was a millionaire. So, success can come at any time, and oftentimes, success comes as a result of these signs. I'm excited to share this with you. I'm excited that you're joining us on our podcast every single day. And be sure and subscribe and click that bell icon because we go live on the weekends quite a bit. Okay, here we go. Number 1, you have clear goals. There has never been, to my knowledge, a successful person that didn't have a definition of success, because keep in mind, your definition of success is going to be different than mine. And Rachel has a different definition of success. In other words, there is no, quote, success. There is only personal definitions of success. What is your definition of success? And if you have clear goals in the direction of your dreams and what you consider to be successful, that is the first sign that you are on your way and that you are manifesting the success that you absolutely desire. And I believe that you absolutely deserve. Number 2, you network with power players. Look at it. You have the choice of making friends with losers. You have the choice of making friends with the unemployed, with the down and out, because, well, maybe that makes you feel superior. Maybe it makes you feel comfortable. You have the choice of networking with people that are complainers, backbiters, liars, cheaters, or you can network with power players, people that are going somewhere, people that are doing something, people that are achieving something in their life. These are optimistic, resourceful power players. You seek out power players to build your friendships with because you know you have a choice. Number 3, you feel incredible passion about what you do. You get up in the morning, you're excited, you're motivated. I'm not saying that every day is perfect. I'm not saying that every day is Shangri-La. What I am saying is that you're passionate about the direction that you are taking your life and the impact that you are making on other people's lives. Number 4, you love a good challenge. I'm not saying that you invite challenges, but when a challenge presents itself, you don't back down. You don't run and hide. You like the idea of a good challenge because you know that a good challenge brings out the best in you. Number 5, you don't work for money. A lot of people do. But successful people seldom do. They work because they're creating a new idea. They're working because they love doing what they do. They're working because it impacts other people's lives. And as a result, they're making good money. And I think that's great. I have no problem with people making lots and lots of money. But that's not the end destination. The end destination is your passion, your dreams, what you really love doing.
You are about to experience a miracle. Claim your free 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and Alchemy life coaching. Visit www.lawofattractionsolutions.com.
This is the #1 podcast on personal empowerment, success, and the law of attraction. You're listening to the Miracle Mentor of Light, Robert ZInk.
Number 6, here's a sign that you are a manifester and you will be super successful. You eliminate distractions. You don't have all kinds of things beeping and bopping and going off all day, pulling you away from what's important in your life and what you're doing with your life. You're focused narrowly on your dreams and your goals and what you need to get accomplished each and every day. And you're not allowing distractions to get in the way. Number 7 kind of fits with number 6. Number 7 is you eliminate clutter. When in doubt, you throw it out. You eliminate clutter. You want your energy to be clean, to be clear, to be crisp. And if you are one of those people that really likes a nice, clean, crisp car, work environment, home environment, sleeping environment, eating environment, then you're on your way to super success. And I really mean that. Well, number 8, here it is. You see the number 1111 or 333 or 777. Those numbers particularly are the ones that the super successful seem to see a lot of. 1111, 333, and 777. I think this is important. Number 9, every day you set micro goals. You may have a list of 10 micro goals that you intend to accomplish, and the top 3 are the most important. You do the most important things first. I mean, that only makes sense. It really does. So, super successful people, they set micro goals every day of what they're going to do with their time. Because the one thing you don't have an unlimited supply of is time. Number 10. Here's a big sign. Oh, this is a big sign. This is a huge sign that you are likely to be super successful. You wake up before sunrise. The super successful tend to get up before the sun rises or right about at sunrise. And the earlier you start your day and get yourself centered and focused, the more likely you are to be in harmony with your definition of success. And the more likely you are to attract that definition of success into your day. You're going to win the day, and then you're going to win the week and the month and the year, etc. Number 11, you study specific knowledge. In other words, there are those people, I'm kind of guilty of this one. I like to learn a little bit about everything, but most of that stuff doesn't help me. It's useless. Super successful people study specific knowledge. So what I do now is when I buy a book, I say, is this book a general motivational book? Or is it specifically about an area of motivation? Is it specifically about how to rebuild something or how to do something? I always ask myself that question now because I want specific knowledge, because I understand that specific knowledge is going to help me more than generalized knowledge. Number 12, big sign. Here it is. Vivid colors in your dreams. You dream in vivid color and it's bright and you wake up in the morning and go, wow, I wish the movie theater was like that. If you're one of those people, you're not crazy like they told you years ago. You are a manifester and you are on the path to being super successful if you're not already there. And number 13, you seek to leave a legacy. You understand that life is very limited and it's a terminal experience. And so you want to leave something behind. that will help someone else, whether it's a book, a painting, your art, your teachings, whatever it is. You seek to leave a legacy and to leave this world in a little bit better place than where you found it when you first got here. Hey, listen, there's a lot of crazy people in the world. There's a lot of mean-spirited people in the world. You're not one of them. You are super successful. You are the person that leads the way. And you're not just leading the way for yourself. You're leading the way for the future. Enjoy your life. Fill your life with love. And have a great day because you deserve it. Bye-bye now.